Well, here is a quick tip about Emacs. If you know it very well, if you don't know it, you'll come to know about it. Okay. So just to basically show you the explanation of the command in an annotation form, there is a package in Emacs called Marginalia. If you install that package, it will help you to provide the annotation about the command. Sometimes you need to know what the command do, right? So that package will help you. Let me show you what I said to you now. I'm going to my Emacs client. Okay, say for instance, mm, I I press Control X. That's the normal key, and you can see the commands coming out. The and also look at the bottom of the screen. It says if I press Control H, it will provide me the help page on the mini buffer. Okay, plus what it will do, it will expand all the prefix key. Like you see, A is a prefix key. That means if I at this moment press A, it will show me the command under that prefix, like J or N or R or V. Everything is a prefix. Under those prefix there are more commands which you are not seeing right now until unless you press that particular key later. Right now at this moment, if I want to expand everything and to know what all these commands mean with a slide annotation, to understand it, all you have to do, press Ctrl H. See, it turns into a mini buffer, because as I said, most of the people, also me included, a package called Marginalia, which has the facility to extract out the doc string from the packages. So it provides you some sort of annotation. You can see on the right hand side in the mini buffer there is an explanation of the command. It is if I you see now, this prompt also has a benefit. If I press V, it will show me all the commands under the prefix V, which was not showing right when I press Ctrl X. You got it right. Now it has showing all the command under uh, prefix V, Control X V, and there is an annotation on the right hand side for each and every command, so people can understand. Likewise, if I press R, it will show me like that. The beauty of it, because it's a help, I press Control X, Control H to get this enlisting on mini buffer. It will show me the command, also the prefix command and their meaning. It is very helpful in a sense. You should know what the command is basically meant for. Okay, not knowing the command, the purpose of the command, and using it blindly doesn't make much of sense. So this is a good way to know about a particular command. Okay, plus as I mentioned, it will expand the prefix key, so which was not showing by pressing Ctrl X or Ctrl C. Now if you press Ctrl H, and if you press the prefix key or whatever, you can see the command under that prefix will come here with an annotation. I find it very useful. That's why I'm making this video. It might be known to a lot of people, but those who discovered it, as it is explicitly stated in the very first time, if you press something, for instance, if I do Control C, and you see it saying in the bottom that Control H will be help you to give you the paging or help. Right now at this moment, if I press, you see there are prefix key. Until unless I press the prefix key, the command will not show, right? As well as you don't know what, you might be seeing the commands right here, but you might not know what the command is for. So if I press Ctrl H here, it will give me a annotation out of docstring from the package that what is the purpose of this command. You see, the annotation on the right hand side, it will give you some sort of brief explanation of the command on the left as well as the key, right? So this is very helpful, and this is all happening because the package Marginalia, which is installed, like most of the people nowadays, it's kind of de facto standard to have that installed. Okay, and this is the package I'm talking about. So this is the package. People generally use it by default nowadays. Okay, so it has got so many stuff, and it clearly states enrich existing command with completion annotation. It basically extracts out the stuff from the docstring of the package, okay, and provide you in a nice concise manner so people can understand what is the purpose of that command. Okay, so this is very handy. If you haven't installed it yet, I suggest you to have a look at it. I think it will be beneficial, at least to me, like many others. So the point is that when you press Ctrl X or Ctrl C, you will be presented with that, but you don't know what is the command's purpose is. Also, you can't see the prefix subcommand until unless you press the prefix key. Okay, so pressing Ctrl H here will help you to get a listing with the command purpose with a little bit of annotation, and you can easily see the prefix, the subcommand and the prefix with the same annotation. I think it is very helpful. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.